Bristol on time, with the local time is 4 minutes to 8 o'clock. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped. The seatbelt sign has been switched off and the cabin crew give instructions regarding disembarkation. Before leaving us, remember to collect your personal belongings by checking the overhead bins, seat pockets, and the area around your seat. Please take care when open the overhead lockers as cabin baggage could fall down causing injuries. The overhead lockers will not be open until ready to disembark. When disembark, use a hand provided and follow any instructions given by the ground staff. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted until you reach a designated area of the terminal building. On behalf of the captain and entire crew, we wish us a pleasant onward journey. Thank you, have a lovely morning, and see you soon.